First of all, switch on the main supply to the trainer board, and now connect this PIC to microchip 16 PIC 16F 877A burner. Connect here, you can see here. Please make sure that this burner is connected properly. And now go to your computer and open the PIC2 software there. You will see the PIC2 connected ID, something like this, PIC device found. Now please read. It will read the device signatures and its configuration, and then you have to go file, import hex file. You will go to the folder where you have saved your programs for the device, and we are going to this folder, PIC 16F double codes. You can see their various code. You can select any one of them. First we will select a simple LED program. Now select LED.hex file. You will see hex file successfully imported. Now click write. This software will write this code into your microchip device, and this code also get verified. Now you have to reset. Now you have to reset the device, and you can check the program where you have saved them, which port you have used, port D. For LEDs we have used port D, and then you have to connect the port D port to LED section. Then you will see we have written the code like this. According to this code, the program will show this configuration on LED display, LED section. When you press reset, this will show something like this. This is a basic program for LED. You can change program using same setup. We will go there again. Read, file, import. You can import another hex file like we are using here the 8x5 LED matrix.hex file. Write that file into your microchip device and open the file where you have used that folder previously. You will see the ports you have used there, port C and port B. Please connect them to the 8x5 LED section. This is port D, this is port C. Port C is connected to rows. This connector 11 is rows like this. You have to connect it here, and port D is for columns like this. You have to connect it to here. Now you will see the pattern A. We have developed a code to display A alphabet for English language. You can see it here. Okay, now we can change our program for other experiments like 7-segment multiplex 7-segment display. We will go again to PIC2, read, file, import hex file. We will go to SSD, that stands for 7-segment display. Select SSD.hex file, write it and check that port configuration for it using that C file. Port D and B we have used here. Please connect port D and B to 7-segment display section. Using this FRC cable we have provided with the trainer. Port D is used for data, that is the data port. Written here connection 5 data. You have to connect it here. Port D is used for, sorry, port B is used for control, that is control port, and port D is used for port data. You have to connect it here. हाँ जी, you can check the configuration here, and according to that connect these connectors. Port D to data port, that is connector 5 data, and port B to connector 4, that is control port. And you can see the result here. We have developed any random code to display 0 to 9, and after that glowing the whole 77 display. And after this you can use LCD. You have to read and then go to file again, import hex file that you wanna use. We have used here LCD in the 4-bit mode. You can select the LCD 4-bit hex file here, select it, write it. After successful, you will go there again to the folder LCD 4-bit, open LCD 4-bit.c file and see the configuration for connections. The 16 cross to LCD data port is C and control port is E. You have to use port C is this. You have to connect it, that is data port, and it's port E, and you have to use it here, that is control port. Here to here, here to here. And now press reset. You will see a simple program we have written for to display something like hello world, and that will also count the hello world, how many times it will go displayed on the LCD. You can see it here. It will also show the count. Hello world, welcome to LCD library, and count 3. It will continuously go on. This is a simple program for LCD. Now you can go to again pick it to first. You can remove, or you wanna use any. We can do a keyboard. Please connect this again properly. You can check it here. It should be connected properly. Now again read and file, import hex. You can now select the RTC, or we can use keyboard program. You have to now write. Now this program has been written to the microchip PIC16F device. You can check the keyboard.c for connections. Now data port is C, again previously control port is in, and for keyboard you have to use port D. Port D is this. You can connect this to keyboard here. Now please reset. Now when you press something like 0, 1, 2, that go display to the LCD. You can use this input for any controlling any relay, something like buzzer, or any step promoter, something, any experiment. This is just a simple program. You can modify it, make it according to your requirement. That's all. Thank you.